Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erica Danielle. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. You can also turn on the bell notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video. If you're not new here, welcome back. I missed y'all. Today the doorbell. Oh, let's go see what's here. Oh my god, y'all, I got a new package. Y'all won't believe this. Let me show y'all. Oh my god, I cannot believe Beyonce sent me an orange box. Look, it's at my door, period. I knew my girl was gonna hook me up. She was sending all these other people's stuff, you know, I deserve. So she came through. Appreciate you. I love you, B. Period.
Hey guys! Back with another video. Gang.
What's up, gang? It's Erica. I'm back with another video. If you could not tell by now, today is going to be my Ivy Park haul slash unboxing. So Beyonce Giselle Knowles Carter, yes, she is the owner of Ivy Park, and she did a partnership with Adidas to release some new items, and it was released on January 18th. It has been such a journey getting items from this collection. I'll just walk y'all through a little of the background process. January 17th, Adidas website, they had a pre-sale, right? So you were supposed to get a notification and they were supposed to let you in to shop 30 minutes before everybody else could shop, which sounds so exclusive, so legit, right? No. I didn't get what I wanted. Of course, I was frustrated, so long story short, I got home, I get off work, I go to sleep because I was just tired. It put me in a stressed state of mind because I had my eyes set on stuff and I couldn't get it, so I was just a little pressed. Okay, that was a shamble. But I have a friend, Lexi. Shout out to Lexi. Lexi is like my sister. She lives in New York, and of course the Adidas stores there actually had items in stock. So Lexi went in store and she got some things for me and she shipped them to me. Love her because your girl was freaking out. So Lexi helped me out a lot, and yeah, like that was the end of my shamble. But I didn't get a pair of shoes that I really wanted, but it's okay. If anybody has a pair of super sleek 72s in an 8.5 and you can't wear them or you don't want them, drop a comment down below. We can talk. That's the story time about how I got the things. Now I'm going to share with y'all what I got. So this is a little spread of the stuff I got. I got a couple of pair of shoes, and I'm gonna try them on for y'all so y'all can see. Okay, so I'm gonna do the try on so y'all can see how everything fits. I'm gonna try to put the sizes in the description box. Some stuff is a little too big, but I planned on it being too big because I wanted a lot of stuff oversized. Oh, can we also appreciate that I'm in original Ivy Park? This is from the tour. So I got this hoodie from a Chicago show, Ivy Park pants. I'm an original connoisseur of the fine things in life. I was with Beyonce through the first drop of Ivy Park, which if you have it, you know. Put a crying laughing emoji face in the comments if you know about that first drop of Ivy Park. The first item I have on is the dress. It's cute, it's asymmetrical. I have it on with the Ultra Boost. They're super cute, love them. Yeah, so the dress is super cute. Up close it has this Ivy Park. You can zip it up, you know. It looks more sporty when it's zipped up. When you unzip it, it looks like more party. Like party. We finna go out, we finna turn up. Next up I have this outfit which I freaking love. So this is a bodysuit. It has a snap crotch, which I live for because Ivy Park didn't, and it was a struggle trying to get in and out. It zips up as well. And then I got these cargo pants that are super cute, and they have this nice material pocket. I love this. Again with the same shoes because they look cute with it. It's a look. So this is the next outfit. This is a convertible jacket. It's got snaps everywhere. I'm gonna show y'all how you transform it in a minute, but it's also with the skirt, which is super cute. Oop, I almost showed y'all some. It's buttoned as well. You can make a little slit if you want. Super cute. And then this is the sports bra. I like it. It make it look like I have boobs, because I don't. But it's giving me some. It's giving me some. So I really like this look. I'm gonna show y'all how the jacket convert too. Hold on. You can take off the sleeve. It's got snaps up here. Up here, up here. Take that off. You know what I'm saying? Feel like I'm in a motorcycle gang when I do that. But you can take that off. It also has this on the sleeve where you can make it fit tighter, or it's loose, however you want it. So like if I did want to wear it like this, which I don't know why I would, but it wouldn't fall off because it's stuck on there now. Versus this one, you know, it can just slide down because I didn't tighten it. All right. Feature one. Next feature. There is a zipper here, boo. You can unzip this thing. Boo, I don't know how to work it. I've seen other people do it, but your girl don't know how. I don't know how to do it, but it's the way you can. I know that. And then it'll be a little crop jacket. Cute. Because what? How you do that? If y'all know how to work this, let me know. I don't know how to work it. Help. I don't know how to do it. Cause it's 2 zippers. If y'all know, can you help me? Drop a comment. So you know, I talked about wanting some of the stuff oversized. This is one. So this is the t-shirt, and I belted it. You don't have to belt it though. And these are the biker shorts. I have a mesh panel right here. Super comfy. Same shoes, same day. Period. If you don't have the belt, I think it's still super cute. Like, it looks really sporty. I dig it. The shirt has the 3 stripes, the Adidas. 3 stripes, Ivy Park. I'm really not ashy, y'all. I don't know why my elbow looks so ashy in the mirror. But it's super cute. The biker shorts have a cute little Ivy Park across the waistband. Love that. I'm getting kind of sad because we're near the end. Like, I didn't get that much stuff. I'm sad, but I'm going to show you all the rest that I did get. So this is another outfit. Long jersey t-shirt. I love this material. It is everything, okay? 3 Adidas stripe. Adidas. 3 Adidas stripe. Ivy Park. I've gotten a little ashy taking these clothes off and putting them on, but yeah. So this is super cute. Same biker shorts. Boom, we got new shoes though. Boo, check them out. So these are the night joggers. I'm a fan still. Yeah. Ooh, I got accessories. I'm gonna show y'all accessories. Hold on. All right, so boom, this is the harness. I really wanted this. Like, I feel like it looked like I'm about to run in somebody's house like the Tomb Raider.
I'm running through your nigga house like the Tomb Raider. You gotta pass around, nigga. He a hot potato.
Yeah, this is real Tomb Raiderish. It's got hella pockets. I love pockets. This is like a little side fanny pack, which the Ivy Park fanny pack was really big. So I'm glad I got this because it's not as big. It has this little coin pouch or something. I don't know. Put pepper spray, gum, guns. I don't know. Then it has this little thigh pouch. I'll probably put like a cell phone in there. But it also has like a zipper on there too. So you can put some on the inside. Cell phone on the inside, then whatever else on the outside. And then it has another little bag at the back. Another little fanny pack. That's so cute, right? Right, I know. And I got some more accessories that I'm going to show y'all. So I'm back. I know I look jacked up, but I was trying on clothes for y'all, getting stuff over my big head and my equally big bun. It was kind of hard. So I got 3 socks in the pack. They have this burgundy color, this orange color, and then this like cream ivory color. Super cute. So Beyonce had them all in the Ivy Park ads, and everybody thought they were going to be heels. I got something I want to show y'all. Hold on. So she put the heel through a sock. I want to show y'all what I ran across. It was very interesting. I think you'll like it. Somebody made these, okay? And they listed them to be on sale. Yeah, somebody did that. Oh, they even put a sole on it. Yep. I also got this cap. It's a backless cap, so my ponytails and buns can stick out through it. It's cute. I have another Ivy Park hat like this, and I love it. It's great for festivals and stuff when I wear my natural hair. I also got the belts in this color, and it's a little longer because I got a bigger size. Because I think it looks good longer. It gives me like the, you know, off-white vibe. So, yeah. And I also got this beanie. It has Ivy Park Adidas over there. I'll open it for y'all. Hold on. There's Adidas back there. Ivy Park Adidas, Ivy Park Adidas. It's super cute. I have my hair in a bun, so of course I'm not gonna put it on right now though. For this part of the video, y'all, I'm having my first channel giveaway. I'm having a giveaway. I'm gonna give away this beanie because I bought two. Oh no, those. So I'm gonna give away this beanie. The rules of the giveaway are: you must be subscribed. You have to share this video. Tell your friends to subscribe. And leave a comment spelling Ivy Park with a red heart. And I will pick a winner. Let's see. The giveaway will end on February 17th. So yeah. May the best man or woman win. Just want to thank everybody that helped me get items because it was hard. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank my job for paying me so I could pay for these things. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite pieces are. Let me know what you got. Let me know what y'all got from Ivy Park, because a lot of y'all got a lot of stuff and I'm a little jealous. So yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you got. Let me know what you love. Let me know what you wanted if you didn't get anything. Y'all know this was drop 1. Oh no, that's what Beyonce posted on her Instagram. So, you know, we're gonna get it next time too. We're gonna work hard. Yeah. So thank y'all for watching this video. I'll see y'all next time. Love you.
Bye bye. Love you. Like and comment and subscribe.